Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your mesh is clean, correct scale, unified normals, and triangulated if needed. Export as OBJ or FBX with UVs if you plan to bring textures. This preserves surface data. In Zbrush, open a new document and set document quick save and preferences for import tolerance. Once done, use Tool Import to load the file. This is the first actionable step because Zbrush treats imported meshes as tools, not documents, so you must import into the tool palette. After you import the mesh into the tool palette, immediately drag it to the canvas and press T to enter edit mode. This converts the object into an editable 3D tool. Make sure to freeze transformations, tool geometry unify, or transpose master for alignment. Subdivide modestly via geometry, divide to preserve shape while adding detail. If UVs or normals look off, open the UV map panel and inspect. Then use deformation flip or normals fix-ups. These steps stabilize sculpting and projection workflows. When you're ready to finish, decide whether you'll continue sculpting or export. Use Subtool Master to merge, split, or clone subtools so your mesh hierarchy is organized. To transfer high-res detail onto a retopologized mesh, append target as a subtool and use project all with appropriate distance settings. This preserves sculpted detail. If exporting, use Tool Export to OBJ/FBX. If something goes wrong, re-import at the original scale and toggle import normals or recalculate normals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.